cab with you, and it handles the bucket and the load in the bucket well. It's easy. It's real smooth whenever you're coming into your dirt pile. It doesn't bog or hesitate. It seems to pull in pretty good. Down far enough that I can run the pedals. I mean, besides the swing motor has a little bit of hum to it. Other than that, I could hear y'all talking while I was running the machine. So that's it's kind of noticeably quiet in a lot of machines.
As far as it goes between the Excavator and LiuGong, I feel like the LiuGong is a little more balanced and well put together. When you're loading the bucket and swinging around to a 90, loading the truck, it feels more stable. Both are very comfortable to be in as you're operating it. LiuGong has a better monitor system, screen. All in all, if I had to pick one of the two, I might have picked the LiuGong just because it's a smoother operating machine overall. Although you're not fucking back and forth all day if you're going to be running the Velcro.
Obviously, this one with the hydraulic thumb on it makes it a little more difficult for dirt work. Between the two machines, also the comfort of the cab, I prefer the LiuGong over this machine as well. Yeah, as far as the trenching goes, the LiuGong, since it doesn't have the thumb, was a little bit easier to handle the dirt with. Also, I felt like I could control the LiuGong just a little better. It's all about cab comfort for me, and the comfort of the cab seemed better. I did notice, however, that both machines seem to lack a little bit in hydraulic pressure or power, if you may, on digging some of this. Really had to kind of scratch at it before you could get a bucket load. If I had to pick between the two, I'd say the LiuGong wins for me on this one, just mostly for comfort. And also, it probably had just a little more power.